Hello to the people of the Philippines and to our neighboring countries. Dahil may map sa taas. Charot. Anyway, so again, hello. Today, I'm going to unwrap the package na binili ko sa Lazada. So, let's open. Let's open na. Ayan. Ayan. So, here it is. Okay, so this is the webcam that I bought from one of the stores in Lazada. And, ayan, pinadala sa akin. Mabilis naman yung kanilang shipping. Within 3 days, na i-ship dito kaagad sa amin. Ito yung in-order ko nung 10/10. So, wala nga siyang receipt. Though I requested for a receipt or an official invoice. So, let's open. Ayan, okay naman. Safe naman siya kasi nilagyan ng bubble wrap. Yun! Ayan na. So, it's from, yung brand niya ay Orashare. Okay? And, it says here, yan, 1080p. So, HD webcam. And, ayan, nakalagay large aperture. Yeah, so, Orashare. And then, ito yung kanyang product specification. Natin kung ito ba ay original from Orashare. Okay, it says here it has built-in microphone, large perspective, large aperture, and face recognition. So, ayan. Ito yung kanyang box. As you can see. Maganda yung kanyang box. So, meron lang mga wrong spelling. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun, wrong spelling. So, pag mga ganun, medyo nakakataka yun. So, try na natin i-open yung box. So, let me open. Ikan na yan. Yun. So, siya. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ayan na siya. So, ito na yung ating product. Open na natin. So, sa loob, ito lang siya. Merong manual. Ito yung manual. Ayan, user manual. The features nakasulat dito. And then the instruction, which is another wrong spelling. Yan. Specifications, question, and answer. So, pag mga ganyan kasi medyo, ayan, pag mga ganyan, medyo napapaisip ako pag wrong spelling, di ba? Okay, so, I hope it's legit. Here's a clear view of the camera. As you can see, meron siyang microphone from both side niya, left and the right. And itong lens niya ay nafo-focus. So, ito ay naro-rotate. Sorry for my shaky hands. And then, tinagandahan dito, ayan, namamount siya. So, tignan natin, ayan. Namamount siya. And, pwede natin siyang ihang on top of our computer. And at the same time, kinagandahan dito, USB type. Maganda yung design niya. Mahaba din yung kanyang cord o yung kanyang cable. And isa din sa feature nito ay napapalitan natin o na babago natin yung angle niya. So, according doon sa desired natin na angle. So, pwede pa siyang babaan. That's it. Okay? Inopen ko yung camera app sa aking PC. For
or software sa aking PC. And ito naman yung kanyang register. At I'm not using a headphone, but I am using the audio from the camera, okay, na binili natin. So this is how it appears on you. But for me, it's quite grainy kapag sa PC ko siya tinitignan. And this is how it looks kapag madilim. By the way, I am using the Google Meet application. So dahil ito yung madalas kong ginagamit na communication tool pang online class. So ito, for me, it's quite grainy. Again, nakapatay yung ilaw. Tignan natin kung i-open natin or turn on natin. Yan. So, medyo okay. Quite okay so far. Malaki din yung sakop niya. Okay naman yung kulay para sa akin. Much better compared to sa unang camera ko.
Ayan, so honest review doon sa ating Orashare camera, from 1 to 10, maybe 7 for me. Dahil sa medyo grainy siya kapag ikaw mismo yung tumitingin from my PC. Pero I'm surprised kasi yung sa kanyang recording, maganda naman yung register niya. And okay naman yung kanyang audio o yung built-in microphone niya. Okay din para sa akin yung angle niya, yung frame, and at the same time, okay din para sa akin yung kanyang design. So, price, it's good actually kasi kung titingin ka or bibili ka ng talagang mga branded o yung mga kilalang brand at yung mas magagandang kalidad pa ng camera, it's cheap compared from other brands. So, kung ito ay nagsisimula ka pa lang naman o pang online class lang naman, pwede siya maganda at perfect siyang gamitin, lalo na kung hindi ka naman choosy at naghahanap ka ng mura, pero kahit papaano ay may kalidad. So, ayun ang aking honest review. So, I hope nakatulong ako at kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please like and subscribe. Bye!